Now with Logic, what we're able to do is select these three tracks. This is the external MS stereo shotgun, and there's a relatively new feature in Logic. I guess it's been around for maybe 1.5 years, two years. Create stack track. There are two options. You can make just a folder track, which will help you organize visually your tracks, okay, which is fantastic if you have a lot of tracks. You can flatten stack track so it goes back to the original track layout. The other option with create stack track is to sum. It creates a folder and it then creates a bus structure automatically. So these three tracks will be sent to a auxiliary. It's going to create an auxiliary track and establish the bus structure so that you can direct these basically three mono channels to an auxiliary stereo track, and at the same time put them inside a folder. So if I go create, you see the folder, MS Shotgun, and inside my mixer I can expand those out, those internal tracks within this folder. And if you look at the MS stereo shotgun, if you like the grouping channel for these three internal, you'll see bus 3. And output for these three internal tracks is going out bus 3 into bus 3 for this auxiliary. So that was created, this auxiliary track was created, and the channeling through bus 3 was established automatically. Now this gives me the ability to easily adjust overall the level of my MS stereo, the external MS stereo shotgun. Yeah, I'm moving back. So now it's easier for me to cross compare the built-in Zoom recorder's MS stereo to the external shotgun without overloading the output, because the MS shotgun was quite a lot louder than the built-in. Yeah, I'm moving back to my right, to the right. Stop. Let's play it back from here.
I'm hiding on the left.
Come closer, come closer.
Come closer, come closer.
Then I'm now going to the center.
Now I'm going on the center, and I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my right. Okay, I get a nice sense of stereo image from that. Let's compare with the built-in.
I'm hiding on the left.
Come closer, come closer.
Come closer, come closer.
Then I'm now going to the center.
Now I'm going on the center, and I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah. Yes. So I can internally rebalance the channels for my MS stereo just by adjusting the fader here for the center mid mic, which would be the easiest. Or I could group these, if you like, and adjust a level of these two together. So either way, but it's probably easier to adjust the center mic for the external MS stereo shotgun to adjust my stereo image, as I had mentioned.
I'm hiding on the left.
Come closer, come closer.
Come closer, come closer.
Then I'm now going to the center.
Now I'm going on the center.
Now that's both playing back together. No wonder it sounded messy.
I'm hiding on the left.
Come closer, come closer. Just increase that one a little bit, the center mic.
I'm hiding on the left.
Come closer, come closer.
Come closer, come closer.
Then I'm now going to the center.
Now I'm going on the center, and I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my right.
And I'm moving back to the left.
So if I increase the center mic too much,
and I'm moving back to the left.
So it doesn't seem as if it's really as left as what it was before. Let me adjust that level. So reduce the main output for the MS shotgun.
And I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my right, to the right.
And I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my right. Compare that to putting the zero back, the fader position for the mid back to 0.
And I'm moving back to the left.
So that now it sounds more left.
And I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my right, to the right. Reduce the center mic.
And I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my right. We still have the stereo image, but if I go too far, reduce the center mic too much.
And I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my right. Now the stereo image is starting to break down. So there's some area from 0, either slightly less or slightly more. It depends on your application. If you want to primarily focus on a particular sound with a shotgun center mic, the mid mic, and just have a feel, just a little bit of divergence from center to left, center to right, then you would probably increase the center mic. If you wish to have more stereo effect, you might reduce it a little bit from 0.
And I'm moving back to the left.
Yeah, I'm moving back to my... Now, it's important to mention that when I recorded these two channels, the center shotgun mic and the side mic from that stereo shotgun mic, the gain position was the same for channel 1 and channel 2, external channel 1, channel 2. So the center shotgun mic, its built-in figure of 8, which is the side mic, the actual gain on the recorder was set the same for channel 1 and channel 2. That's very, very important to note.